Good morning and welcome to the retirement recap for Tuesday, May 19th. With me today is Jennifer Sahadi, our Director of Education. And I'm going to get right into it this morning to talk about the pretty wild day on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow was up 912 points, the S&P up another 90. And the point of me mentioning that is not to celebrate the short-term wins. It's more to talk about the reasons why and what that means to us, particularly as we invest in retirement plans. So the market was up yesterday for really two reasons. One, Jerome Powell, the Fed chairman, was on 60 Minutes and had some positive comments about the economy eventually recovering. And also there was a little bit of a breakthrough by Moderna, a Cambridge-based pharmaceutical company that said their vaccine trials had gone really well. Now, why this is important is last Friday at the Fiduciary Friday video that we did, we talked a little bit about how the market is doing fairly well, but yet people don't feel like it should be doing well and that there's a little bit of a disconnect. And as this slide shows, how people feel about the economy is progressively getting worse from January all through March and all the way now to April. And what I think is even more fascinating is that this is a pretty much binary feeling. Either you feel really good about it, or increasingly people feel really bad about it. But there's little people that sort of feel in the middle about it. And when we look at these types of tests and polls, there's usually a bigger population that says, well, I just don't know. But people definitely have feelings, strong feelings about this. So I'm going to turn it over to Jen to talk about some nice relief and comments that we got from the Department of Labor, which really impacts all retirement plans.
Thanks, Rich. As Rich was mentioning, the stock market fluctuations is just one of the many things that we're dealing with right now. Most of us are working from home, which means that everything just takes a little bit longer. And the Department of Labor understands that. The Department of Labor is responsible for overlooking 401k plans and all retirement plans. And one of the things that they look at very closely is how quickly you put 401k and 403b contributions into the plan. Right now, they know that things are taking a little bit longer. So if it takes you a little bit longer due to COVID-19 reasons, they're going to be lenient on that for the time being. And that's great news because we all need a little bit of flexibility right now. And in some softer news, for those of you who are at a distance and enjoy playing games, a little girl has a great idea for all of us. You can challenge those around you to distance games like she did. She challenged her mail carrier to tic-tac-toe. I don't know what the results were, but I think she wins for being super clever and fantastic. And with that, I'll pass it back to you, Rich.
Thanks, Jen. Little known fact, I am a tic-tac-toe and Connect 4 master. Just a warning. Thanks for joining us, everybody. We're getting a lot of great feedback about our Twitter account, so please follow me and stay tuned for our Fiduciary Friday video this coming Friday. Thanks so much.